Take a ride in the 2022 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, daytime running lights, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth. Come see the car for yourself.